Permaculture stands for permanent agriculture. It's a system developed by two Australians, and the idea is to mimic natural ecosystems as much as possible and use nature sustainably and wisely to provide not just food but shelter and energy for ourselves. And for example, here I grow food in an organic fashion without using fertilisers. I only use manures and compost that I make. The water is captured from rain, so we have large water tanks and it's circulated around the garden. Energy is provided by solar panels on the roof and by wood we get from our lot. It's about half an acre, and we get a lot of dead wood falling. It's used for fire to keep us warm in winter. And water is a very big factor on a block, because not only are we capturing water off the roof of our house, we're using it inside the house and the garden, but also we have a pond, which is just from rainwater. We don't ever add water to it, and its level goes up and down naturally. And in the pond we grow fish, which we could eat. It's habitat for local frogs and tadpoles. We even have a lot of snails in there. And we grow food in floating boxes around, and we grow things like mint, taro, Vietnamese mint, lettuce, watercress. Watercress is full of vitamins. It's a fantastic crop, and you need very little to grow it. And all of these things work together in the pond, like the fish bloom, and that fertilises the plants, and the plants oxygenate the water, which provides oxygen to the fish. So it's a really great system. And of course we sit by the pond to stay cool, and we even use it as a natural swimming pool. So on a very hot day I don't turn on any air conditioning, I just come down and dunk myself in the pond. The other feature of our property, which is very permaculture-like, is that all of our wastewater, including our black water from the toilet and the grey water from the kitchen, the bathroom and the laundry, they all go into a great big worm farm. And worms break down the material and make it suitable for use by plants, and then the water is circulated around the garden for growing plants. So it's almost a closed system, except of course we have the inputs are mainly the sun and the rain and the light, I guess. So it's a great system. We use mulch a lot to reduce the water use, and mulch also breaks down and generates food for the plants. What I enjoy about gardening is the self-sufficiency aspect of it, where you feel like you're using what's available as much as possible, what is available in nature, and you're working with nature rather than against it. So anybody who's interested in growing their own food and providing their own energy and whatever should have a close look at permaculture. You get a lot of satisfaction out of doing it. No use of chemicals, pollution reduced to a minimum. It's a very, very satisfying system.